Hello and welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Now, Sean Paul is once again in celebration mode as his 2003 collab, Baby Boy with international superstar Beyonce, is now certified platinum in the United States. The certification by the Recording Industry Association of America, RIAA, comes almost 20 years after its release. Baby Boy reached the sales and streaming equivalent of 1 million units sold in the United States. Now, the song is already award-winning as the albums it's on, Beyonce's Dangerously in Love, is certified 6 times platinum, while Sean Paul's Dirty Rock is currently 2 times platinum. Charlie Black makes history as the first dancehall artist to perform in Madagascar, Africa. Now, the party animal DJ created history over the weekend when he performed on the continent to a massive crowd who sang out loud his 2015 global crossover hit single, Party Animal. Charlie is currently promoting his single Wine For Me, which is available across all digital platforms. Now to news overseas, where Warner Brothers' animated epic DC League of Super Pets soared to the top spot on the U.S. domestic box office, earning a solid $23 million in the opening weekend. Super Pets features the voices of Hollywood A-listers Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson and Kevin Hart. Super Pets is the only family movie to be released in August, as younger audiences will have to await Puss in Boots: The Last Wish in September. The first weekend results for Super Pets is on par with Universal DreamWorks Animation's The Bad Guys, which hauled in $23.95 million and went on to earn just under $100 million. Super Pets is currently in local theaters. I'm Daedran reporting for E-Prime. Thank you for watching.